This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. The Madhya Pradesh government is planning to remove the ban on employee transfer. The Chief Minister has directed the General Administration Department to bring a proposal in the next cabinet meeting. This decision will help government employees who want to change their work location. Tribal Affairs Minister Vijay Shah said the new transfer policy should allow voluntary transfer without any limit. Some other ministers also supported this idea. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the government will carefully think about all suggestions before taking a final decision. The issue will be discussed again in the upcoming cabinet meeting. In Ujjain, Congress leaders and workers protested against the district ban on farmer leader Ashok Jat. The protest became tense and police had to use lathi charge to control the crowd. During the clash, one farmer named Jairam Jat was injured. Police also detained 3 people. Before the protest, a video went viral on social media. In the video, Congress MLA Mahesh Parmar was seen arguing with additional SP Alok Sharma. The MLA was seen trying to touch the officer's feet and following him on the road. The incident has created political debate in the state. A cabinet meeting was held under the leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. In this meeting, the government approved development project worth more than Rs 29,540 crore. These funds will be used for improving basic facilities in the state. The money will support better road, health services, irrigation system and social welfare schemes. Around Rs 15,598 crore has been approved for public finance program. Rs 6,900 crore will be used for improving urban roads and their development. Also, Rs 6,116 crore has been approved for pension for poor elderly citizens. The government say this decision will help the people and support development. In Bhopal's Barkheda Pathani area, people protested because they have been facing a water shortage for the last 1 month. Angry residents gathered outside the Municipal Corporation Ward 56 office. They broke empty water pots as a sign of protest. The protesters said that water is not coming regularly to their homes, causing many problems for families. Women and local residents joined the demonstration. They raised slogans against the authorities and demanded immediate action. People said they have made several complaints, but no solution has been provided yet. They are asking officials to restore water supply quickly. In Singrauli district, a 32-year-old woman was airlifted to Bhopal AIMS through the PM Shri Air Ambulance service. She was very ill and doctors decided to shift her quickly to save her life. The government arranged the emergency air service for better treatment. In another incident in Indore, a 22-year-old woman died by suicide. According to reports, she was scolded by her mother-in-law for wearing jeans. Family members have accused her husband and mother-in-law of harassment and mental pressure. Police have started an investigation. These incidents have raised serious concern in the state. Madhya Pradesh is experiencing very hot and dry weather conditions today. The heat wave continues in many cities and temperatures are rising during the daytime. In Ujjain, the current temperature is very high and the forecast shows extreme heat over the next few days with temperatures crossing 40 degrees Celsius. In major cities like Bhopal, Jabalpur and Indore, the weather is also very warm and sunny. Day temperatures in these cities are generally staying in the high. Strong sunshine and dry winds are making the weather uncomfortable, especially in the afternoon. People are advised to avoid going out during peak hours, drink plenty of water and stay in cool places. Overall, Madhya Pradesh is facing intense summer heat and similar hot conditions are expected to continue in the coming days across the state.